Imagine running a command and wondering, what now? Well, register variables capture that output so you can put it to use. They help you dynamically handle results, trigger conditions, and add flexibility to playbooks. Without them, managing automation would feel like driving blindfolded. So let's explore how they make Ansible Playbooks smarter. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Why should you care about register variables? Well, unless you enjoy debugging blindfolded, these little helpers let your playbooks respond intelligently to real-time conditions. Think of them as your Ansible intelligence gatherers, holding execution results, guiding decisions, and making troubleshooting way easier. Let's talk syntax. It's as simple as adding register to an Ansible task and naming the variable. You can then reference the stored data, manipulate it, and integrate it into further plays. Think of it like saving a game, except instead of keeping your high scores, you're storing valuable execution results. Ever wished you could ask a command, hey, what happened? That's exactly what register variables do. They grab the output, whether it succeeded, failed, or printed something important. You get access to stdout and stdir, making it easy to troubleshoot or build logic around the results. Think of register variables like a dynamic notebook. Sometimes you need to add more notes. By using loops and concatenation, you can store multiple outputs efficiently. It keeps your playbooks from becoming static, enabling flexible workflows that grow as they run. If one result is helpful, multiple results must be powerful. Lists store multiple outputs, letting you batch process and access structured data with ease. It's like keeping all your groceries neatly in a basket instead of carrying them one by one. Raw outputs can be messy. Thankfully, Jinja2 Filters let you tidy them up. Need to extract a value. Format data. Jinja2 makes it effortless, turning chaotic results into structured, easy-to-use information. Playbooks love it and you will too. Playbooks don't have short-term memory. To make data persist across tasks, facts come to the rescue. This ensures results stick around for later use, keeping your execution smooth and preventing unnecessary repeated queries. Let's talk about hostvars. These handy little things let us access variables across multiple hosts, like passing notes in class but way more professional. Register variables, on the other hand, store command outputs, making them super useful for automation. Combine both, and we can fetch data from one host and use it somewhere else. Perfect for making dynamic playbooks and keeping things efficient. Why make things complicated when we can automate decisions? Register variables store results, and we can use conditions to decide what happens next. If a previous step succeeds, move forward. If it fails, troubleshoot. It's like a traffic light for your playbooks. Green means go, red means stop, and yellow, well, that's when you start sweating. Debugging register variables is like detective work, just fewer trench coats. The debug module helps uncover what's happening behind the scenes. Printing values can save hours of guessing. Always check scope. It's the difference between fixing a bug and chasing your tail. And of course, handling errors gracefully can keep frustration levels low. Let's do things right. Clear variable names prevent confusion. Nobody likes deciphering cryptic code. Keeping scope limited avoids messy conflicts. Regular validation ensures variables behave as expected, much like checking a parachute before a jump. And documenting usage. Future will thank you for it. Mistakes happen, but let's avoid the most common ones. Forgetting to validate register variables can lead to surprises, and not the fun kind. Overriding variables accidentally. That's a recipe for chaos. Empty values can trip you up, so handle them properly. And always keep debugging tools handy, because even experts need a safety net. Theory is great, but real-world examples make it click. Register variables help automate software installations, making setup seamless. They're perfect for monitoring system health and tweaking configurations dynamically. Need to update inventory files based on real-time data? Register variables got you covered. They're like Swiss Army knives for automation. That's a wrap. Register variables boost automation efficiency, making workflows smarter. Debugging is your best friend. Never underestimate its power. Best practices help avoid rookie mistakes, and real-world use cases make concepts come alive. So go forth, automate wisely, and may your playbooks always run error-free. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.